In this problem, we're given a function and asked to find f prime of 1 using technology, and then use that to find our tangent line. So anytime we're finding a tangent line, there's two things we need. We need the slope and a point that it goes through, and the slope is going to come from our f prime of 1. So let's find our slope. So using a TI-84, there's a couple of ways of doing it, but I'm going to go to Math, and I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to go to NDeriv, and I'm going to put in my function, and you do need parentheses around that denominator, and I will put that in. Then you have to give a comma, and then what variable you're taking the derivative with respect to. So in this case, that'll be x, and then the derivative you're taking what point you're taking the derivative at. The TI-84 will only do derivative at a point, not the derivative as a function, and you can see it negative 0.5. So f prime of 1 equals negative 0.5, or we could say negative 1/2. That's our f prime of 1 with our technology. So the other thing we need is the point that it goes through. We have the m, and we know that we're doing this thing at 1, so the point is going to be 1 comma something. Well, we're going to get that 1 from the function, so we're going to calculate f of 1, which equals 1 over 1 plus 1 squared, or a positive 1/2. So now we're finding a linear function with a slope of negative 1/2 and going through the point 1 comma 1/2. So our tangent line is going to be, the form of a tangent line is y equals f prime of a times x minus a plus f of a. Now there's a lot of different ways we could write the tangent line. I like this way because everything just plugs right in. So my tangent line is going to be f prime of a, we said was negative 1/2, times x minus, our a was 1 because that's where we're finding the tangent line at, plus 1/2 because that's f of a. Now this isn't in y equals mx plus b form, but that's pretty easy to do as well. We'll just distribute the 1/2. So we get y equals negative 1/2 x plus a half as we multiply the negative half times the negative 1 plus another half. And so in y equals mx plus b form, this thing will be minus 1/2 x plus 1.